Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abby, I'm the owner of A Couple Tumblers and also A Couple Glitters. Today we are going to be layering vinyl on a beer can glass. These beer can glasses have been all the rage and I finally got my hands on some. So before we get started, you guys already know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get to it. In today's video, we are partnering again with TeckWrapCraft. Thank you so much for sending me some awesome vinyl. The first color is a clear to green color changing vinyl, and then the second one is just a permanent green vinyl. The last one is the TeckWrapCraft textured metallic vinyl, and I absolutely love their textured metallic vinyl, so go check them out. We are going to be weeding this SVG out. The SVG that I got is from Creative Fabrica. It is a full wrap for a beer can glass. TeckWrapCraft also has some beer can glasses on their website. I believe they are sold out right now, but keep an eye on it because they will restock, and there are 20 ounces instead of the regular 16. So I'm just going to sit here and weed all three of my colors. TeckWrapCraft is a little thicker of a vinyl, so you want to make sure whatever cutting machine you are using, you put a little bit more pressure on it to get all the way through. Now that we are done weeding our vinyl, we are going to go in with some transfer tape, and this transfer tape is the exact same size as the SVG that I have. So the beer can glass that I have is a 16 ounce and it's a little under 9.5 inches around and a little over 4 inches tall. When I uploaded my SVG into Cricut Design Space, it was already measured out to the exact measurements that I needed, but you just want to make sure and double check by yourself to make sure that it does fit your tumbler, because not every single tumbler or can or glass, whatever you want to call it, is going to be the exact same size. Now that we have our transfer tape on the SVG or on the vinyl, we are going to flip it over and do a quick rub with our TeckWrap squeegee, and I'm just going to peel the backing off of this. And then we are going to go in with the second color. Now for the second color, this is just the regular green permanent vinyl. I am going to tape it down to my table because you can see that it is curling up. So if your vinyl is curling up, you want to make sure that it's completely flat. So just tape it down to your table. Now I am just going to take my transfer tape that has the first color on there, and I'm going to carefully line up the first color with the second color. I also got to make sure that I leave some spaces for the third one, but if you need help, you can always refer back to the SVG that you do have and see where you need to put your colors. Again, I am just going to flip this over and give it a good rub with a squeegee to make sure that the green vinyl does transfer to the transfer tape. For the last and final color, we are going to do the exact same thing that we did with our second color. So go ahead and rinse and repeat and make sure you line up your SVG correctly. Now that all of your colors are on the transfer tape, it is time to put it on the beer can glass. So I'm just going to take a paper towel and spray some 91% rubbing alcohol onto it and clean my beer can glass. This is going to help get rid of any of the oils that is on my hands and make sure that the vinyl sticks properly to the glass. I really need to get myself one of those, what is it called? A cup cradle? You know, the ones with the pool noodles and the PVC pipes. I really just need to make myself one, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my mushroom vacuum as a stabilizer so that way my beer can doesn't roll away on me. But now we are just going to take our transfer tape and put it on the beer can glass. You want to make sure that it is completely straight, and then once it is on there, you can just go ahead and roll your beer can glass to get the entire vinyl print on there. I am just going to give it a good rub to make sure that the vinyl is stuck onto the tumbler, and pull up some of this transfer tape to lay the rest of the vinyl down. And then once you have all of your vinyl on the tumbler, you are going to make sure that you rub your life away. You want to make sure that this vinyl isn't going to go anywhere. And then go ahead and remove the transfer tape. And look how cute it came out. I absolutely love these beer can glasses, and I'm so happy that mine finally came in. I waited forever, but I did put some ice in this cup, and now I'm putting some ice cold water just so you can see how fast the color actually changes. It is like a very pretty olive green. So go and check out TeckWrapCraft if you haven't already. I'll make sure to link them in the description. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below, and also hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on a video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!